Welcome to today's deep dive. We're looking at a pretty wild story today, right? Because in 1999, food scientists were testing European wines and, well, they stumbled onto an absolute anomaly.
Yeah, a huge anomaly. I mean, a bottle from this totally isolated Greek mountain village just blew away the charts for cardiovascular benefits.
Exactly. So today we're figuring out the miracle of Metsovo. We're taking you through Greek gastronomy guides, historical archives, hotel reviews, and a really fascinating 1999 biochemical paper.
Right, to see how a rocky, remote region transformed into this world-class hub of fine art and premium wine.
And the blueprint for that entire transformation really comes down to one person, Evangelos Abroff.
Yeah, Abroff. He was a politician and an author, lived from 1910 to 1990. But for Metsovo, he was basically the ultimate architect.
It is honestly like he was playing SimCity in real life, but instead of, relying on the standard tech tree of factories and highways to boost the economy.
Right, he goes straight for high-tier culture and luxury agriculture.
Right.
Which is a wild strategy for a mountain village.
It really is. I mean, he didn't just build the basic schools and health centers. He actually handed over his entire personal art collection to create the Abroff Gallery right there in the village.
Yeah, giving them 250 works from prominent 19th and 20th century Greek artists. By doing that, he basically proved that true revitalization requires a soul.
Not just infrastructure, yeah.
Exactly, not just basic infrastructure.
Yeah.
And he didn't stop at the gallery walls either. He took that exact same philosophy up the really steep slopes of Mount Pindus, like 1,150 meters up.
Which brings us to the late 1950s. He does something seemingly crazy and plants Greece's first Cabernet Sauvignon vines up on those mountains.
Which was, frankly, like an incredibly risky agricultural bet at the time. But it paid off in 1963 when he produced his crowning achievement.
The Katoudi Abroff Red. Right?
That's the one. It was the very first premium Greek wine to take a resilient foreign grape like the Cabernet Sauvignon and blend it with Agirikatiko.
And Agirikatiko is that indigenous Greek grape known for its deep color and plum notes.
Yeah, exactly. So he effectively gave a French classic a distinctly Greek identity.
Okay, so he successfully blends a French grape with a local Greek one to create a cultural icon.